Good afternoon or good evening. Put this lens back. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Dave here, and I'm coming to you from the perspective of this mask, not because of the pandemic, but because a lot of gnats here. I'll show you real quick my surroundings here. The cloud cover and how it's looking out here. We had some decent rain that we really didn't want in the first place. We didn't need this type of rain here. We didn't want it here. It's the wrong time of the year for it to be raining, where we're getting ready. We were in the process of picking up, harvesting our watermelon, and it's been a hard situation for us. It's, about 2 weeks ago, we had a hard rain, and we lost a lot of acres of watermelon. We're hoping that we didn't lose any more of it here. But this is just the initial video of what I'm taking, and we'll see what's gonna happen later on tonight. There's more rain forecasted in the weather. Unfortunately, I hope it doesn't ruin our harvest. Then we'll be pretty sorry in Upship Creek, because a lot of employees depend on this employment. A lot of workers out here dedicated their lives working here for years, and the economy in the United States is not that very good here. We're hoping we'll be able to do good, and pray that everything comes out okay. We're not discriminating against the rain, because the rain is life to everybody. But we definitely need to back off on the rain for a little bit, at least for a month at least, and give us a chance to recuperate our losses. We'll see what happens anyways. I'll get back to you. I'll be using the Insta360 with a 1-inch Leica lens for these few days. Unless I need to go to 360, then I'll use the 1X2. I hadn't been using this camera for almost a year. There was nothing wrong with the camera, just I was just trying out something else. But I'm going to start using this camera more often. Wow. I'm going to put on my sunglasses. Yeah, it's better. I'm getting hit by the sun big time here. We're gonna take a quick cruise around the field now. I'm gonna tell you right now, the fields are wet. There's no freaking way we're gonna be able to even get inside the field, not even a foot inside the field without me getting all muddy and dirty. But I'm gonna do what I can. I'm just gonna show you around. It's not an update. The update is that we have crowds like those that are coming this way. Crowds like those are coming this way, so that it will prevent us from picking up these watermelons. The watermelons are healthy right now. They're ready to get picked up. This particular area right there, there was so much water that the watermelon drowned. So that particular area is no good. Right here, this little small batch of it. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna take it easy a little bit here. Take it out and take our time. The sun's still out. This field right here looks very healthy, and it doesn't seem like it had a lot of water in it. Not that it didn't rain, because I'm sure the rain does not discriminate between one field and another. Just that this particular field is a little bit higher than other fields. There's some other fields that the moment it would rain, it would cause rivers to form, ponds of water. In this case, well, you're looking at healthy fields that are a little bit above the water, or were able to drain themselves out quickly. You know, I'm sure they still might have sustained the same amount of water than these lower pocket fields, but for example, this particular field, oh my gosh, I'm gonna show you this inches of a field. There's no freaking way, even though I have a pickup truck that's 4-wheel drive, I will not put my truck through that torment at all. No freaking way am I gonna put the truck through that torment. It's not worth it. It's just not worth it at all. So I'm gonna head on over here. Even though the truck's gonna get a little bit wet. We're gonna go to one of the pumps, and we're actually going against the sun. So let me turn this thing around a little bit. If you notice my finger tapping the camera, it's because the screen goes black on me. I need to put it on the settings where it'll stay lit longer, because there's a screen there, and I'd be able to align myself with the camera so I'm not out of alignment. For example, like the older GoPros from the Hero 8 all the way down, you had that same problem. You didn't have a front screen, so you didn't know how to align yourself, and in most cases, your whole body went out of camera, and you were actually thinking there that you were still within the camera's reach, and you weren't. You were not. This particular one, the Insta361R, has it set up where I can. They're interchangeable modules, but I have it set up where I can actually see myself and align myself all the time. I got this gate and this gate right here that I've got to close. But you know what? It's so freaking muddy in there. I don't think anybody's gonna want to come in here and try to steal the watermelon. First of all, look at the road going in there. They're gonna require special 4-wheel drive equipment to even get in there, just to even steal one watermelon. So I'm not worried about anybody stealing watermelon tonight. The roads are super muddy. Anyway, I'm gonna head back towards the main ranch. And pretty much explain to you all that with these type of roads and the rain that we're getting, I don't have to worry about anybody stealing watermelons. Especially since the Harris County Sheriff's Office passes through here a lot. But we got a couple of federal game warrants because since Lake Austin is close by and Lago Vista Lake also is pretty much just down the road here. This whole place is full of game wardens. Could it be because people don't buy their freaking licenses to fish? I don't know. We have a private lake, so I don't worry about getting a license. But anyways, I'm gonna head back towards the farm, towards the barn, and we are monitoring the weather. Hopefully we will not have any rain, even though everybody, even the news, that says that we're getting high percentages of rain for tomorrow and tonight. I hope that it really isn't true. And we're gonna see tonight. See what happens. Anyways, this concludes today's video. And if something, unless something abruptly comes up during the night, I'll try to get it on camera. If not, I love you all. Have a good night. God bless. Stay safe. Stay close to your family. And maintain that social distancing from people who are not wearing masks, even though it's not recorded. Until tomorrow, adieu.